Hi friends, Jocelyn here. So quickly, I just wanted to explain the grading in this class. This class does not use a traditional grading model. It uses labor-based grading. Simply put, you do a little more work, you get a higher grade, okay? So the weekly discussions, where you write an original post of at least 300 words, you write 2 replies to classmates, each of those at least 100 words. So the discussions and the journals, which you submit to me through assignments. So that's a private thing that just you and I see. The discussions and the journals, if you just do those in this class, you will earn a C. So the weight of those assignments comes to 79%. If, however, you think you would like an A or a B in the class, you would also want to make sure you do the midterm project. And there are instructions in the content page, explanation, all that kind of stuff. That will be due midway through the class. And then if you would like an A, you would also do the final project at the end of the term as things are finishing. So if you just do discussions and journals, it's a C. If you do the discussions and journals plus the midterm project, you get a B. If you do the discussions, journals, the midterm project, and the final project, you get an A, okay? And we are basically looking for college level work. So as long as it would in any other class situation, as long as what you submit would be a C or higher, so college level competency or higher, then you just straight up get the points for doing the work. You get the points for your labor, okay? So we're not looking at these weird shadings of you get an 8 out of 10 on a discussion, and then you're kind of like, what else did I need to do to get the points? I did what the lady said. So basically, if you hit the word count, if what you write is thoughtful, intelligent, careful, and if you fulfilled the spirit of the assignment, then you just straight up get a 10 out of 10 on the discussion because you did what was asked of you and you did it at a college level. The same will be true of your midterm project and the final project. If you hit the criteria, for each one, there's pretty much like a series of answer these kinds of questions and use some creativity. So bring in visuals, you can make a video, whatever, that kind of thing. So, so as long as you are hitting college level work, as long as you are, as I said, fulfilling the spirit of the assignment, then you straight up just get the points for your labor. If you ever do something, let's say you do a discussion and you forgot about the word counts or you were in a hurry that week and you kind of just you did a post but it was like it was too short, or it was like I don't know, not quite. I will tell you in the feedback, I will give you a placeholder score where you get a 5 out of 10. We are acknowledging that you did it, but we're also acknowledging that it was not done quite to the level that it needed to be. And so you will have the chance then to revise it and resubmit it. So if you have questions about that, let me know. Just a quick last little thing I want to remind you of, if you haven't read the syllabus carefully, and I mean, of course you have, what? But remember that we all know and acknowledge that AI is on the rise and students are using it everywhere. It's a thing, I'm not denying it. And for me, personally, I mean, if I was paying a bunch of money to take a class and if I wanted a college degree, I would do the work, because I find that writing and doing the assignments actually, can help clarify thinking, and it can help you take leaps, become better analytically. There are benefits to doing the work yourself. Realistically, not every student is that way. Not interested in writing, maybe just feel like you don't have the time, you don't know what to say. So I just know that a lot of students are turning to AI these days. So let's be realistic, okay? If you have looked at the syllabus, you will have noticed I have a long statement about that. And what I am saying is, number one, if you just didn't use AI, best approach, thank you. Number two, if you're going to use AI, either for help brainstorming topic ideas, maybe not doing the writing for you, but just helping you, you're going to put some things in and get some ideas. Or maybe you're just like, I hate writing, or maybe even it's just 1 week where you're like, I'm feeling screwed in my life and I don't have the time. I want to try AI. What you need to do is let me know. Okay, so we're going to become a team in understanding the use of AI. And you're going to be like, okay, Jocelyn, I actually turned to AI this week. Here's what I asked it for. So tell me what you input, all that kind of stuff. And then you can be like, here's what it gave me. And honestly, if you are a thinking human being, you're going to take a look at what the AI has returned to you and you are going to think, That could be better. That's what? Like what? Because AI writing is fairly flat in its affect. It often sounds like a seventh grader wrote it. And it often makes things up, and ooh, you don't want to ever post something that's made up. It manufactures sources. It sometimes manufactures quotes. So all of that is false and plagiarism. So, you basically, you're going to let me know, like, the AI gave me this. And then if you looked at it and you thought, here's some things I got to fix it. I got to change some things. You're going to let me know, like, here's what I changed. Here's how I revised it. Here's how I fixed it. So if you decide you're going to use AI and you want to be on the up and up, so we are good. So we are good. You're going to let me know. Message me, tell me when you submit it, and you have to take me through the process when you submit it. So then you have to do more than just like turn in the thing the AI wrote for you. You need to also turn in an explanation of what happened in the relationship between you and AI. Probably would be easier, honestly, to just write the thing and get the benefits of having like practiced being a writer and a thinker on your own. If you use AI and don't tell me, and I think to myself, this seems a little sus, I will run it through a minimum of 3 AI detectors. And if it tells me that there's a strong likelihood that it is not human generated content, you'll get a 0 and a loss of my faith in you, which, I mean, that alone should be crushing. And we might have to have a little talk. Okay. So if you're going to use AI on the DL, we could have a problem. If you're going to use AI and be open about it, we can be cool. Okay. If you're going to not use AI, boy, I love you very much. You're special. You're special. You're special.